everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I bring to you the Reagent airdrop. They are doing a giveaway and they are giving out $25,000 to 50 people. Now they share this $25,000 into 5 groups. Now the first 10 persons are going to be earning 1k USDT, while the second place, the 10 persons which took the second tier, is going to be earning $50, and the third 10 persons are going to earn $350 down to $250. Then lastly, the last term people right there are going to earn $150. Now in total that is $25,000. I'm going to be showing you how to participate in this, and it is simple. All you need is your MetaMask account, which you are going to connect, your Twitter, and then a Telegram. So first of all you need to do is to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to join us on Telegram and on Twitter for you to stay alerted on our update. Then if you wanted to earn some TRS right away, you can go ahead and watch this video right here, so you can be able to earn some token right into your wallet instantly. So let's continue. So with this update, what you're going to do is to first of all click on its link, which I'll be dropping down there on the description of this video. So once you click on it, you're going to be heading right here on Start Quest. You're going to click on Start Quest. It says connect wallet. Let's go ahead and connect wallet. So connecting my MetaMask wallet. See my wallet connected. The next step is to follow them on Twitter. So I'm going to connect my Twitter right here. Okay, connected to Twitter, so I'm going to go and follow them on Twitter. So okay, I just connected my Twitter, but I'm going to find them on Twitter and follow them on Twitter. Their Twitter page, I'll go ahead and follow them on Twitter. I'll head back right here and okay, then I'll proceed and copy this post and post on their Twitter page. I'll post this on my Twitter. Okay, this is it. I'll click on post. Okay, I just posted. I'm going to slide back right away. Okay, so after I post the tweet, I'm going to go ahead and copy my Twitter ID so that they can be able to verify my Twitter that I posted on about them. Okay, I'm going to proceed and copy my Twitter ID and click on share. I'll copy it right away, head back to the site. So I'm going to paste in what I just copied. This is where I will paste in my Twitter ID. Let's paste in my Twitter ID. Okay, let me validate the tweet. Okay, tweet validation successfully. Okay, so I'm going to follow the Reagent. The third phase is to follow them on their Web3 page. Okay, Reagent Web3. Okay, I've done that already. Jesus Vision. What you're going to be providing right here is your Telegram username. So you're going to go ahead and input. Okay, my Telegram username is Cosmos Airdrop 7. Now this is for them to contact you if you are a winner. So okay, so once that is done, you are standing a chance to win this token. Just remember that they are giving out $25,000 to everyone. So that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe into our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. See you guys in the next video.